katanat food and civil supplies kumjo katanat labor ka sarkar jilla ba Methodius Dkhar ula penpau ka jingsngongu ka party HS PDP bat kumjo yu menteri rangba ka jilla konrat ke sangma namar ka jingshanya bat ka jing aila jongki yu ban shimti kum menteri sarkar ka jilla. Jing akran bat kilat pathai kubor uba Methodius ulayat ho ba kitanan ba ubat ki day ki baya day bat ki paidbah bat day na takadaw ukwa ban penting kana ba ka jing tray kam jong katanat kanlong ka bejanai ulayat ho ru ba shan unsa lum ya kitanan la kalong nadu ka food and civil supplies kumjo ka labor ban penting kana ba kini kitanan kinla ban ai pura ka jing shakri ki paidbah.
My gratitude to our Honorable Chief Minister, who consider me to be in the cabinet, and my party, all my party leader, party workers, HSPDP, and all my people from my constituency. And yes, when we talk about these priorities, this department which I'm holding right now, that has been given to me the responsibility, is the department that are directly touch the people in the grassroots level. But my priority is how we can take forward and how this department can serve the people of the state as a whole. But to take this thing forward, I would definitely like to have a system which is inclusive, where I'll have a proper meeting review with with the department, with the officer concerned, and yes, with the department also there are stakeholders which are directly or indirectly involved into the system. So I would also like to have a meeting and review with them, and then we'll see what is the best that we can take this from here forward, and what's the best that we can, as the department, we can do and to serve the people of the state as a whole. Yes, like what I said, see, I would like to have a system which is inclusive, where so this will begin with a discussion, with a proper discussion and listening. I think anything that we need to start, anything that we need to move forward, we need a proper discussion, because success of any department, it will not depend on only one person. It depends on the people that are in the officers and everybody that are involved into the system. So do I have a vision? I want to take this forward. Like what I said, is a department that touch the life of many people, and especially the life of those people who come from the weaker section of the society, and or the vulnerable people of the society. So the decision that we take for this department, I know, is very crucial. But before we take any decision, I would like to first have a review with the officer of the department, and then we will see what's the best that we can do and what the best that we can deliver to the people of the state. I have that in my mind, and I'm looking forward that how we can strengthen this labor department, and how this department can protect the labor, the interests of the employee as well as the employer. But how to do that? Like what I said, I need to have a review with the department, and then we will see what are the policy that they've been following till now, where we need to improve, and where we need to maybe we need to come up with some new amendment and all. So that I will have to do it with the after the review meeting.